Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, toggle Bluetooth off and on in Settings. If your device is paired but not connecting, tap the info icon and select Unpair. Then put your headphones into pairing mode. For AirPods Pro 3, double tap the front case, but it varies by device. Tap Refresh, select your device, and tap Pair. They should connect and work fine. If that doesn't work, restart your phone and your Bluetooth device. Press the power and volume up buttons together, then swipe up to restart. To restart the headphones, close the case and wait for the light to turn off. After restarting both devices, update your software as a last resort to fix any connectivity glitches. Go to Settings, scroll to System and Update, tap Software Update, and check for updates. If an update is available, install it. If your version is up to date, you're good. That's how you fix Bluetooth not connecting. I hope this video was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next one.